Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. So I made videos on Uthando Nestembu, right? I did Uthando Nestembu Uncut, and I also did the recent episodes of Uthando Nestembu. The aim was just to share with my TikTok viewers or my TikTok friends to say this is the opinion that I had on the episodes. I am now sharing them with you. Please let me know what you think of the episodes that have played. And do you think Uguti Umseleku still has the power to keep this as tempo going? Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe as you enjoy my TikTok videos.
Bazalwani, episode Kamakumalo, I couldn't watch last night because I saw a few clips. I was hoping that it's the last episode that they're playing because Umakumalo is pregnant with twins, or she's carrying our twins. But yeah, here we are. What did I think about it? I think Uguti, it's a marriage stage. Each marriage has its own stages, and she is in that stage right now where her marriage is shaken, where she sees the reality that others are seeing, where her relationship is not at honeymoon stage anymore. Even if Umakwela did not come in, Umakumalo and Mseleku were going to have conflict either way. So for me, I don't see interest in abantu bazibonayo. I just see another relationship that is in a conflict, and Ugirl is just bored and annoyed, and she wants Umselegu to clap for her successes and not make them about the successes about them, of which that's what happening right now. But when it comes to Umakwela, Umselegu uthi usibonile isithombe, she was happy. Maybe she is happy with Umakwela, but did not want ukuthi umuntu ashade umuntu osestradini sakhe. These are the relationship dynamics that each and every person would have. And I hear people saying Estenjini, it's a joke, it's a what. Guys, every relationship, nane emjolweni bayantribula. Niyatribula emjolweni. Don't make it as if when you are in a matrimonial setup, then it's the worst humiliation ritual. They're humiliating you. You are humiliating by a boyfriend that you do everything for. So just cut that nonsense and move on. But I think it's a relationship setup, a relationship dynamic that is where their marriage is crossing. We will see 3 years from now if it stays like that or if it gets better.